Introducing the new Thetford Separation Toilet, engineered for longer off-grid freedom. At the core is the intelligent waste separation system. A rotating blade at the rear directs solid waste into a lined container, then rotates back into position to seal it off. At the same time, liquid waste is channeled through an exit valve into a tube and into a separate sealed container. It's this intelligent separation system that makes waste management simpler, cleaner, and more efficient. For added comfort, an optional electric ventilator quietly extracts odours to the outside of your RV through an activated carbon filter, helping keep your space fresh and odour-free. Maintaining the system is simple. For solid waste, add a liner made from recycled plastic, along with a small amount of drying additive such as sawdust. The solid waste container is removed from an access door at the rear of the unit, allowing for quick and hygienic disposal. The sealed liner can then be easily removed and disposed of at an appropriate waste disposal point before replacing it with a new liner to continue use. The liquid waste tank is also accessed from the rear of the unit. A leak-free connection allows the outlet tube to be isolated before disconnecting, ensuring a clean and mess-free emptying process. Additionally, a handy built-in level indicator lets you know exactly when it's time to empty. The Thetford Separation Toilet installs easily as a standalone unit or as a modular upgrade compatible with existing Thetford cassette toilets. With no water required, no additives needed, and minimal maintenance. The Thetford Separation Toilet, the smart choice for modern off-grid camping. Discover more at thetford.com.au.